Want to set up Tawk.to live chat on your website? Tawk.to lets you add a customizable live chat widget so you can communicate with visitors, answer questions, and provide customer support in real time. In this guide, I'll show you how to set up Tawk.to live chat step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, sign into your Tawk.to account. If you're setting up Tawk.to for the first time, create a new property by entering your website's name and URL. If you already have one, simply select the property you want to use. Next, open the widget installation section and copy the JavaScript installation code. Paste the code into your website before the closing body tag, or use one of Tawk.to's supported integrations for platforms like WordPress and other website builders if available. After installing the widget, open the widget settings to customize its appearance. You can change the color, position, welcome message, language, business hours, and notification preferences so the chat widget matches your website and brand. Now invite additional team members if multiple people will respond to customer chats. You can also set your online status and configure notifications so you'll know whenever a visitor starts a new conversation. Finally, open your website in a new browser window and confirm that the chat widget appears correctly. Send a test message to make sure conversations are delivered to your Tawk.to dashboard. Testing your setup before going live helps ensure visitors can contact you without any issues. And that's how to set up Tawk.to live chat. Once everything is configured, you'll be ready to chat with visitors, answer questions, and provide real-time customer support directly from your Tawk.to dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.